Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to day 4 here in Rome. We are currently on the Spanish Steps. We're starting this vlog pretty late. It is 39 degrees right now with a heat warning. It's like red heat warning, and yes, I am in a long sleeve dress, but it's short. But the reason I'm in a neutral outfit is because we are going designer shopping today, which I am so excited about. If you didn't know, if you're coming to Italy and you want to buy anything designer, definitely do it. It's a lot cheaper here than it would be back home, so we're taking advantage, or at least I'm taking advantage.
I just learned something new. You cannot be biased when you're shopping for designer, so you have to wear neutral.
Yeah, so that's why I'm in a black dress, just because I was in like a dress earlier today and I figured, okay, I'm gonna go try on bags right now, and I just want to have a neutral outfit so I'm not biased to colors that I want.
And I brought a nude just in case she wanted to mess around with colors, so then that way she can put it against me.
Done earlier today. I got it cut and he did really good. I went to Sass Saloon. I'll have like the salon address on the screen for you guys if you want to come to Rome and get your hair cut. It is 6:30 in the morning. It rained last night apparently, so it's really wet, but I'm wearing the dress that we bought yesterday. Super cute. We're gonna take the metro right now to go to the Coliseum, take some pictures. Where do you want to walk?
Let's walk it.
It's nice outside.
Yeah.
And then I have a haircut today at 3:30 and we're probably gonna do more shopping.
Okay, so I had forgotten that we actually started the vlog already for this day. We woke up really early. As mentioned, it was like 6:30 when we woke up. We started walking to the Coliseum, passed by this random cafe and decided to go inside just to get breakfast. We got cappuccinos, croissants. It was really good. Mine had like this pistachio filling in it, which I didn't think I would like at first, but it was actually really good. It was, however, already getting really hot outside, which is why we made the stop to come in here to get breakfast and just cool off a little bit and then chit chat a little. We did finally make it to the Coliseum. Here's a little sneak peek of the pictures and videos we took, and then we got a sandwich and went back to our hotel room.
But yeah, we didn't vlog anything before because we've just been inside chilling. It is very hot, like even here.
It's 47 degrees right now. It feels light.
Taxi driver told us that. So it's hot. It's definitely hot outside, but yeah, we're on the Spanish Steps,
which is random.
And it's pretty busy, especially for a heat warning. Yeah. A lot of people are out right now, but so are we. We just came out and it's 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
But Gucci and Prada close at 7:30, so we gotta get going.
Prada was the first stop. My boyfriend's sister wanted sunglasses, so here are the two that we were debating between. We weren't allowed to film, but I wanted to get this clip for you guys, and then I'll show you which one she ended up picking later on. And again, we weren't allowed to film in the Gucci store, but as you can see, I did end up making a purchase. Pablo's so sweet and will usually carry all the bags, but for this one, I just wanted to walk around with my Gucci bag. He did end up taking some really great photos and videos on my phone, which I will be posting on my Instagram. Again, go follow there. I haven't edited the photos just yet, but I will be editing them soon and posting them.
There's a no joke. What the fuck?
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we just got back to the hotel and I figured I would use our balcony to record this. Pablo is right there, so he's gonna watch this, but I'm so excited to show you guys what I bought. It's a lot cheaper to buy here in Italy. I don't know how much tax refund we're gonna get just yet because obviously we're not at the airport yet, but I am supposed to get a couple more euros back. We went to Gucci, as you saw, and then we went to Prada, which Prada isn't for me, it is for Pablo's sister. She asked me to get her something. I'm gonna try and see if I can take it off without undoing the knots. Oh, perfect. So we can just slip off. The bow kind of came off a little, so I'm not even gonna open the bow, but we're just gonna gently take this. This is the little case. Sorry if the lighting is a little weird, but this is the best we got right now. And these are the glasses. Obviously not gonna try them on because they're not mine and I don't want to get them dirty, but they're so cute. Canadian dollars, it was $5.80 on my credit card statement, and then when we go to the airport, we're probably gonna get back maybe, I want to say maybe like 50 to 100 euros back. And now my ginormous bag, which I am so sad that I cannot bring back because we are only traveling with our carry-ons and then a personal bag, so this is literally too big to fit in either one of those. So we're gonna see if we can break the box, I think, and then somehow store it, right, babe?
Yes.
So, I don't know. His idea is that he thinks that we can break this box and bring it back. Because I do like to collect the box.
We fold it to the factory.
We'll have to see, but so excited. Okay. I'm excited.
That's what the chair was for. That's how excited you are.
We don't need the chair, no time to move the chair.
That's what was the chair for.
I just want to open this. Okay, guys, ready? This is what it looks like in the dust bag. Obviously, there's a dust bag. Oh, it smells new. Can you guys guess which one it is? You guys saw 2 pictures.
Wait. Before you continue, disclaimer. This is not a show off. She worked for 3 years and has been bothering me for 2 years, saving every single penny that she can in order to buy this bag. So do not see it as a show off, but see it more as motivation. Set a goal, put the vision on it, and then make it happen. Because that's exactly what she's done, and I just wanted to make sure that we clarify that so that you guys can use that as an example as I am.
You can make me cry every time you give like a speech like that. You make me
It's
cry.
not a speech, it's the truth. You've been talking about it for 2 years and you've saved every single penny to make this purchase, so I'm very proud of you. And you've been posting consistently and going at it because this was your vision, and today you finally made it.
Time to make her cry.
Because that was your whole goal. I want to go to Rome. I want to put every single penny and save it so I can buy my own designer purse one day.
A new one, because I do have a Louis Vuitton one.
And this is her sharing it with you guys. So I don't want anybody to think that this is a show off. Perhaps, maybe, but it's a well-deserved that has been in the works for 2 years. And I don't want to discredit that. So if you guys want to achieve something, use this as an example. And even if it's just $1 a day that you were saving, make it happen because you'll get there.
And I wouldn't be here without you guys, so thank you to each and every single one of you. First and new Gucci bag. It's wrapped beautifully. And it's the white one. We went for the white one, so it comes in orange, pink, hot pink, white, a tan, and a black one. Why are you laughing?
You just threw the freaking bag.
No, that was the paper.
I know.
I wasn't even considering the white one, but as soon as you walk in and she brought us there, the black one wasn't on display. They didn't even have the tan one. She didn't even know it existed. This one was there, and even he, as soon as he walked in, he was like, oh my gosh, the white one. So tried this one on and honestly fell in love with it. This bag has 3 different looks, and honestly I was debating the YSL one. I'll put a picture on the screen for you guys. So I was debating this one that I originally wanted. Doesn't have a zipper, and I hear that taking it on and off the like YSL logo is kind of tricky. This one has a zipper on it so you can open and close it. Oh my gosh, I don't want to take everything out just because how nice it's packaged.
Update, she opened it.
He convinced me, so we're here opening the bag. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the longer strap.
Well, that didn't last too long.
This is the crossbody.
Where's the chain? I like
inside.
The chain. I like the chain.
No, but I need to show the 3 different ways. So this is crossbody. It's still cute. It fits at a nice spot. It's not too long, but also it's not like super short. But I like the length of it.
I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you.
Did you tell about your hair?
Yes. So I really like this. Even with this outfit, it's cute. Or obviously you can wear it one shoulder like this. Personally, I feel more safe that it's like this. It's not going to roll over. So this is the shoulder strap that you want to wear, and it does have different holes depending how short or how long you want it. So it looks like this. The gold one at least has a little dust bag as well, so that's good to know if you want to store, so that way it doesn't tarnish. And it is packaged. This is the gold. Doesn't feel too heavy, but it doesn't feel cheaply made either, but doesn't feel like very heavy.
For those of you who are wondering, yes, it does work like a chain.
Come here. You have the shoulder. Come.
Words of my loving. Gangsters. What's up?
This is just with the gold chain. How cute. So it's different looks. This is more obviously like more fancy with the gold, but like he was saying, you can have it like this as well, and then have the strap on it, so either the long one or the short one.
That's my favorite.
That's how we saw it at the store.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, it's cute. I love it. But yeah, so that's the bag in its full glory here in Rome. That is the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye.